Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. So this is our sixth episode of NavisWorks. If you did not check the previous videos, please check those one as well. In this video, we'll discuss about View tab right there in NavisWorks. What are these options? How we can use, how we can edit and customize those options in NavisWorks. So first of all, we'll start with um, from the left hand side. First of all, I'll append one file right there so that we can review that file as well. Yeah, so now this is our file, but right now you can see, okay, I'll remove these options. Okay, selection tree will be part of home tab, so we'll include that one. But right now you can see that we do not have any cube right there. We do not have any navigation bar right there, and some more features as well. We do not have in this Navis Works. We already discussed about the standard Navis workspace. If you did not check that episode, please go through with previous videos. It will be thoroughly discovered right there how we can customize our Navis Works standard workspace. Now, in this one, if I wanted to show only some of the options, like I wanted to show navigation bar right there. So what I'll do, I'll click on navigation bar in view tab. Just click on that one. You can see this is our Navis bar. Right there we have cube and those kind of multiple options right there. But I wanted to show my cube in different space, not including with the Navis bar. So what I'll do, I'll click on my view cube option right there. You can see view cube is highlighted right there and it's removed from the Navis navigation bar. Now, third option you can see right here, HUD. HUD, there are three options for the directions, or what we can say the dimensions, that how many dimensions we are using, something like that, like X, Y, Z axis. You can see right that this circular option, and if I'll rotate it, um, my view, it'll also rotate, right? You can see there are three axes right there. This is x-axis, the red one. This is y, and this is z. The vertical one is z. So that is how, if I'll go with the top view, I'll show you. Yeah, now these are our axes. The top one is our y-axis, this one is y, this is our x, and the elevation part is our z-axis right there. We can check it out that one, and where it will be useful. It will be more useful when we are moving any element in Navisworks. Like suppose I wanted to move this wall. So what I'll do, I'll go in item tool right there, and in transform option, if I'll drop it down, you can see these values are right there. So if I'll put any value right there, I should know that which direction I want to move on. Like you can see right now it's x direction. If I'll move this wall in this direction, it will be x. So I can fill the value of x right there. First of all, I'll click on the move command, and then I can put the value of x. Like for example, I'm putting right here um 30 mm, suppose. I guess I have put the value, but it is very less. Let me cross check with the bigger one. If yeah, that's very less. Oh, it's moved. It's moved. Okay, okay. I guess it's right. The 30 unit. I need to check that. What unit it has taken? Maybe it has taken in meter. I guess yeah, that's in meter. So I need to put right there 0.03, so that it will be um more accurate. Right now you can see this slightly moved. I can also move like that, and I can cross check that it would and which direction it has moved. Like if I'll move it in y direction, sorry, in z direction, the value of z will be changed. If I'll move in y direction as well, it will be changed in that way as well. And one more thing right there, we already discussed that if I'll click on reset transform, it will automatically reflects in all the dimension, all those kind of things. It will set the previous one. Okay, so we have discovered about navigation bar, view cube, and HUD. If I'll go with the position readout as well, right there, you can see it's we are right now at level 3, something like that. The X value is this one, Y value is this one, and Z value is this one. So that is how we can read the values from right there. So grid location as well, but I did not turn on the grid. If I'll turn on the grid, you can see the grid locations as well. Okay, so that is very important, that how we are rectifying the things. You can see right here 3-9. It means we are working at that particular grid right now. If I'll zoom in right there, you can see it's 1 8. It means this is the eighth grid and this is one grid. So that is how it will work properly, and we can rectify at which position we are. The modes are about the grid active grid display, that at which location you want to show, above and below, above only, below only, all those kind of things. Right now I've highlighted above and below because right now if I'll go at the below one as well, it should show me the below grids as well. Like if I'll go the below, you can see the below grids are also, these are the same grids, but wherever I will go, it will show me like that way only. So that is how it will work. Now if I'll move on to this icon, active grid right now of this particular project, because we have added this project right there. Okay, now if I'll move on to this full screen right now, if I click on that full screen, it will show me nothing but just my view, so that I can review thoroughly if I do not want to go anywhere else. But what what happens when you'll be right there at the full screen? What do you need to do to go back in this situation? So what you can do, you can press function key F11, so it'll be right there back to your actual NavisWorks view. Okay, now if I'll click on the split view, there are two options of splitting the view. First of all, of all, if I want to split my this view into horizontal views, I'll directly click on that one. Now you can see this is my view, this is my view, but the titles are not shown, that which view is which one, which is the main view. So what I can do, you can see right the show title bars. If I'll click on that one, this is my main view, so that is why it's not highlighting any view name right there, but you can see this is our view one. Okay, so that is how it will show me. But what if I wanted to split in again in uh, one more horizontal? Okay, so if I'll not in horizontal, because the slider maybe will be right there, so I'll press Control Z again right there. Okay, if you will not press Control Z, what you can do, you can click on cross window right there, and you can go with the vertical one, so that it'll split your views as per that only. Okay, so now you can see this is a view one, this is a view two, but your main view is this one. You can parallelly work on that particular view as well. You can change the aspect ratio of this kind of views as well. You can stretch it from right there as well. But if you don't want to do that one, you can see the window sizes right there. You can go use width or split, or use aspect ratio. You can change the dimension from right there of your views. It depends on your requirement. You can move it from right there as well. You can go down, something like that. Whatever you wanted to do, it matters how you are proceeding with that one. Background, yeah, background we already discussed in our previous videos as well. You can change the background color, something like that. Like if I want to plain, go with the plain, so I'll go with the plain as well. Oh, yeah, you can see. So that is how what we can do, but it depends on you, that how you are looking with your things, how you are going with that one, and that is how you can change your background, all those kind of things. So we cover background, window size, show title bars as well. You can see the title bars are right there. How many views you are adding, or the title bar will be shown like that way. The windows we already discussed, that how many options are unchecked. You want to show them, then you can show them as well. Right now what we have shown is selection tree and find items right there. The below you can see the comments. Yeah, you can see the below class text you right there, you can see, and those kind of things. Measure tool is also highlighted right there, you can see. So those kind of options you can check from right there, and you can see that which kind of options are available and which kind of options are hidden in that one. Load workspace we already discovered the standard, go with this one, NavisWorks standards. And for help, you can go with the help command as well if you want to check more options in NavisWorks about that particular view tab. So that's all about the view column, view tab in NavisWorks that we discussed thoroughly right now. And yeah, reference plane, I guess we missed. Right now we have two options in reference views: the plane view and section view. How it'll work? First of all, I'll go in my uh, full screen first of all, and I'll go with my. Oh, sorry, I need to close these views so that I'll be in my main view. Right now in my main view, and now what I wanted to do is that, imagine this is the small building. Okay, so no worries about that one, but imagine there are multiple buildings, okay, nearby, like it's very big area project. So how you can rectify at which location you are right now? So there are two types. First one is plan view. If I click on the plan view, you can see this kind of small window. You can stretch it a little bit if you want to. Uh, Let me go. Okay, it depends, but it will be smaller because we cannot work in this one. We can just rectify at which point we are right now. Okay, so if I'll go like that, you can see the cursor is right there in plan view as well. So imagine if I'll move my cursor right there, it will show me that at which location right now I'm working. Okay, but it will not work in elevation thing. Okay, it'll go with the side view, but it will not show me that at which level I am. If I'll go down as well, it will not show me at which level I am right now. So for that one, what we can do is we can go with section view as well. And right now, if I'll uh, go down, you can see my mouse is moving in this particular section as well. Right now, I'm at my front one, so you can see this is the way. If I'll going upward, it will show me that I'm going upward, something like that. So that is how the plan view and the section view will help us that at which point, at which area of the building we are. This is very smaller building, so that is why I think it will not that much good to see that what is the main purpose of this one. But if you're working in a very big projects, that will be very useful that at which point you are, so that you can go with your actual location where you wanted to go. Okay, so I guess we have covered all the points of view tab right now in this video. Let's meet in my next video. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video.